Hi, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram and 24K on Twitter. We're taking a look at the world's first carbon fiber stash box. We'll show you some details about the vault. Here's some details right here. You can pause the video anytime and take a look, but we're going to get into the box in here in just a moment. Some more details on the bottom here. Again, you can pause the video anytime to take a look of what it has to say. We'll put some more details in the description, of course. So it comes with a lock. We'll go inside the box here, and then we'll take a look at this box right here. So it's got two zippers, and I like that the zipper cover looks like it could be weatherproof, so that's nice. You can tell the quality is high-end for sure. So here's what you see on the inside. It's a zippered compartment, and it comes with some bags as well. And you can pretty much attach anything to this webbing here. It's a small pocket right here, and this is actually velcroed in, so you can take that out if you want. Comes with a lock right here. So these compartments are all set up, pre-arranged for you, but you can adjust them with the Velcro on the inside. So maybe if you want something larger here, you can take these two out. But this is the world's first carbon fiber stash box. It has this lock, it's crush proof, and it's triple smell filter layers on the inside with brass combo lock. And it comes with a lifetime warranty. So you'll definitely want to check this out. This is the Vault, and it's carbon fiber. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments, and of course, thumbs up.